एवरीवन वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो फाइनली हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं आज एक न्यू डिबेट कंपटीशन। ये सारी जो भी लड़कियां हैं जो बोलने वाली मदर साइड से, और ये जो भी लड़के हैं जो बोलने वाले हैं फादर साइड से। जो भी ये डिबेट कंपटीशन रहने वाला है बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रहने वाला है। पूरी वीडियो के एंड तक बने रहें। ओके सो मैं ओके स्टार्ट।
um, boys father is more better than the mother, because father has a lot of responsibilities instead of mother, because father go to job to earn money for to feed his family and his parents also, and a lady who comes from the other house to feed her, but the mother's work is only to cook food in the house, and father have to do a lot of work from outside in the lot of sunlight, and it is better. It is a lot of.
Who said that mother doesn't have responsibilities?
I said that.
No, mother has much responsibility than father,
How?
because she has to do all work, and if she is working outside, then she uh, done her duty and come back home, and then after make food for his family.
And there are also many fathers who has no wife, and they also go to job to earn money, and they come after the job to house and also cook food for their children also.
No.
It's also a lot of responsibility.
No, men do second marriage most of the case.
It's matter on the mindset of the for boys.
No, girls, moms have much responsibilities than
And mother also
they also care child.
mother also get a second marriage.
No,
But
Yeah.
in the most of the cases, boys do getting marriage, but not a girl, not a mother do getting second marriage.
So, because it is the duty of a mother to cook food in the house. Man has
So
a need of,
father have also duty to work outside.
yeah, that I am saying. Listen
So-
first my point. Father
So, but
has-
you
father-
said that a father have more responsibility than mother, but it's not right. Girl,
So you
mother have
said-
more responsibility than father.
And let me tell you the fitness of fathers.
Yeah.
If a person shoot 7 to 8 bullets in your father's body, he will live. But if 2 or 3 bullets fire on your mother's body, she will die.
So,
And you can see the difference between the mother and father.
it's not a different.
You start speak.
Like you speak.
Continue.
No.
Okay.
You speak.
In my opinion, the father is more hard worker than mother, because the father do work from the outside of home, and the mother is the work inside the home. In the Indian culture, there are culture the only mother, she is still only making a housewife.
Because of father, they can't allow to mother do outside work, because nowadays ladies are more educated than boys, and because of boys, girls can't do work outside.
Not this is not denied by a father, and this is the mentality of every woman. They not want to do work outside
Who says
like men.
this is a mentality of girl? Because
I say-
every girl wants to do work outside, but boys can't allow and permission not.
Mostly girls they do.
And their boys and father, because of mother's husband, father.
There are the most case. The women do work in the house, and they get tired very easily, and the father do work entire the whole day.
Listen, you know very
And
well.
they not pretend to be tired.
Oh, no, it's not right. You know that Sunday. Father have a holiday on Sunday, but mother have more work on Sunday. Why?
Not
Because father and their children in home, so that's why she have a more work.
Which type of work?
Which type of?
They have work only like sweeping and like cooking, etc.
So it's not a work.
Not
Oh no.
it is a part
So
of life.
why? You speak.
okay. Working in house is also very difficult. Like work all day, so it's also getting tired.
Working outside is much more harder than working inside.
But in house there is a lot of work, like cleaning house or caring children, cooking food, and etc. Serving.
That's all. We have much more work.
Like
You can do it in 3 or 4 hours. Your work is complete, but we work.
who
but
told that in 3 and 4 hours our work is complete?
I said.
Listen.
If you do work,
Yeah, sit.
Okay. करने दो.
Sit.
It's your time to say.
हाँ.
I already said it.
Okay, you said that 3-4 hours it's work not complete.
Yes.
And you know very well that boys are doing work in companies and there are a rest time, but mother have no rest time, that they are sweeping and that 5 minute rest. It's not right.
But who said they take a rest? But they do work constantly. But their work is.
But so boys father have a holiday on Sunday, but mother not have a holiday Sunday. Oh yeah.
You are seeing the one holiday of men's and fathers,
Yeah,
but you
yeah.
are not seeing the job of their a doctor's job. Any patient can call him for their medicines.
So girls
In
are
the-
also-
listen.
Yeah,
just
yeah.
listen. Any patient can call doctor in the midway of night from 12 to 6 a.m.
Yeah.
It's not a.
So
it's not
girls
their hub.
are you know bro, girls are also doctor, so she have a no work.
But see who is the most doctor? Girls are most doctor या फिर और
So why they she can't study because of boys, because of family? And who's born you?
father.
Oh!
Listen
No,
first.
listen.
Listen.
Yeah.
Mother has only capacity to born a girl, but father has both capacity
So
to born a girl or
why
boy.
listen, why God give only mother have capacity to born child?
Only mother have capacity only to born a girl.
Why?
As you also studied in your science book that mother have chromosomes XX and boys have XY. So it totally depend on the father that who will born, boy or girl.
Listen, so why God give only the capacity on only mother? If God thinks that they give all the boys,
God gave capacity to father to born girl or boy.
and who keep you to 9 months in our stomach, father and mother.
So what?
So what so?
But what? But
I
what
am
if?
saying,
What if?
you understand my point?
Yeah.
Who keep 9 months to our stomach, mother and father?
But what if there is no father?
So?
Instead of father, you can a mother can keep a mother can keep a boy baby in the
who is more sacrificing?
boys also father.
Like in burning children.
What?
Like in burning children, who is more sacrificing, mother or father?
Obviously father.
Oh,